What's up guys, it's Hair Goddess here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful look I have on. Guys, this is a wig and I made it with the Empress collection Silky straight. Guys, Darling is here to help you slay on a budget, and this hair is 100% human hair look and feel. It has a premium texture, premium quality. It's very soft and hand friendly, and it doesn't tangle. So guys, this is it, and it comes with a detangling spray. This for me is the best part of using this hair, because in the morning I don't even think about what I want to use on my hair. I literally just pick up my detangling spray, spray it on my hair, and I'm good to go. And it smells so good. It smells so nice, trust me. I used 16 inches length because I wanted a short hair, so I didn't want to use the longer length. The Silky Straight Empress collection product actually comes in two lengths. There is another length here. Let me just quickly show it to you. This is the 18 and 20 inches. So if you want to make a longer length wig, the 18 and 20 inches length is your go-to hair. Alright, so back to my 16 inches because that's what I used for this look. I used the color NB3 because I wanted it to look really natural, and that was the color that blended seamlessly with my closure. As you can see right here, I have a closure on it. That's what I used to make it look neat and finish it nicely. Another thing I noticed is that this hair is very full. This is a one-pack solution, so I used one pack to create this look. If you like your hair bigger, fuller and all, you can use more packs, but one pack is actually enough for a simple, nice looking style like what I'm wearing. Okay guys, so let's get into the wig making process. I have my wig block here, I have my products, I have my dome cap. I have two caps actually. I'm yet to decide which one I'll use, but don't worry, you get to see which one I use in the course of the video. I have my thread, my T-pins. This is what I'm going to use to put the cap to the wig block so that it stays firmly, and I have my closure here. All right guys, so let's get in quickly. Okay guys, I'm done with the installation process and I'm loving my wig already. It looks nice already. Of course, I know you know it looks nice. Okay, so it's time to cut, and I want to cut this on a human model because using this block can be quite deceptive and misguiding. I want to be sure that I actually get the chin length cut and not just cut without any guide. So let's get my model in and then we'll do the cut. Alright, so now we're done cutting and it's looking so nice, so beautiful. We're moving to the next step, which is to straighten and then bob the hair so we can achieve this beautiful chin length bob. Alright, let's get in. Okay guys, now we're done with the straightening process. If you notice, I didn't straighten all through. I just straightened the tips, and that's because I just want to have the bob at the tips. But you can totally straighten all through if you want. If you have the time, you can straighten all the way from roots to ends. And this hair can take heat as high as 230. I'm not done yet. I'm using the detangler spray now. Guys, I want you to see the magic. See how this part has a lot of flyaways. Once I spray the detangler spray on it, I just use my hands to touch it. You notice how it slips and it looks very nice, makes everything lay nicely and beautiful. I like the fact that in addition to detangling hair, this detangler spray can also tame flyaways and it will not leave your hair feeling heavy, so it's very lightweight. And it smells so good. So I'm just brushing it in right now. I'm brushing it in. I'm going to take off this weave and then I'll cut out the net underneath and also cut out this part. Then put it again on my model and you'd see the actual finished look. Okay guys, we are done with the beautiful chin length bob with Darling Empress Silky straight hair 16 inches. This hair is beautiful! Guys, can you see how we're rocking the chin length bob? I totally love this look and my model looks amazing in it. I mean, we literally look like boss chicks. We are boss chicks, boss babes, like, you know what I mean? That classy, you know, babe. Alright, so if you want to purchase the Silky Straight Empress collection product, you can check on the Diva shop. The link is right below. Check there and you get the link to purchase this hair, and we also deliver right to your doorstep, so you don't have to stress yourself going anywhere to get the product. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.